100
Oo.
billion ika niya ang dapat nyong i-refund sa mga consumer ninyo over the years.
Oo.
So ito kasi parang sa 2028, parang due for review kung i-extend ang inyong prangkisa o hindi. So
Oo.
you have enough time daw to refund 100 billion to us. Manong
Well,
Joe.
again, to put things in perspective, prior to this 19 billion, we already returned,
40.
because of another previous lapse period,
Oo.
50
48.
billion to our
O
customers.
50. So kulang pa rin. Ano pa lang yun? 69 pa lang
So
yun.
kung i-add mo to, 50 plus 19,
19.
ballpark figure ko na. So we will be refunding it probably 70 billion already.
Oo.
Now, yung figure na 100 billion, I think that came from former ERC Commissioner noon who had then the opportunity to review our rates, but apparently hindi yun nangyari. Now, he is insisting on this figure. Wala po sa aming kapangyarihan na unilaterally mag-refund ng rates because we are guided under the rule of law to follow the order coming from the regulator. Wala ko kaming poder.
So ang magtatakda nun,
Mag-refund ka ng 100 billion tapos antemano, hindi po pwede yun eh.
ang
Kasi kailangan
magtatakda
mo
po
yung
ERC, Kadjo.
Yes, ang regulator. And I think even a recent jurisprudence by no less than the highest court already established that. Pagdating sa rates, walang tanging pa pwedeng magbigay ng order dyan kundi ang Energy Regulatory.
But my question, although hindsight is always 2020, bakit hindi naman po nakalabas ang ERC ng rate processing? Bakit naantala?
I cannot answer that, Pati. I can only discuss what is within the context of Meralco's position. Basta kami, kung ano man yung order na yun, hindi naman kami naging pabaya sa pag-file ng mga petition para sa mga rates namin. Now, that is a different issue altogether. So, pagpatawad mo, baka hindi ko kaya kasing sagutin bakit hindi nagkaroon ng decision.
At PS doon, tatalima naman ng Meralco just in case na iutos ng ERC.
As we have in the past,
100 billion.
as we have in the past, kasi kami nga, Patty and Ali, we are a heavily regulated entity. Walang pwedeng ipasok sa bill ng Meralco na hindi aprobado ng gobyerno. We cannot do that because we will be violating the law. So lahat ng figures, lahat ng line items, lahat ng billing na tatanggapin ng customer, yan ay aprobado ng gobyerno sa magitan ng Energy Regulatory Commission. At kung ano man desisyon, kung ano man order ang manggagaling mula sa kanila, yan ay atin pong susundan.
So to clarify again, Joe, no, itong 19 centavos per kilowatt hour supposed to be na refund, hindi pa to final and executory because sabi mo nga, it's under review by ERC kung pareho yung mga figures ninyo.
Yes, yung 19 billion, this will be, hintayin namin kung ano yung magiging final order, and then eventually we will need to kumbaga follow.
So pwedeng umakyat o pwedeng bumaba.
Ayoko i-preempt eh. I'd rather that the regulator look into it and issue as an order.
Okay.
Pati yung duration.
Let's get together. Sunnet 25. Sunnet 25.